Spinach, a leafy green vegetable now widely consumed around the globe, has an interesting history that spans centuries. It originated in Persia, now modern-day Iran, where it was cultivated as early as the 6th century. However, it was not until it reached Europe, via Spain, in the 12th century that spinach began to make an impact on Western diets. Initially considered an exotic delicacy, it quickly gained popularity across Mediterranean countries, particularly in Spain and Italy. By the 16th century, the vegetable had spread throughout Europe, becoming a staple in the diet due to its abundance and nutritional value. Its spread was helped by trade routes and the growing interest in diverse agricultural products. Spinach's rich history in various cuisines of Europe made it a fundamental part of dishes ranging from soups and stews to savory pastries and salads. In the early years of its cultivation, spinach was revered primarily for its health benefits. Rich in vitamins and minerals, particularly vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, and folate, spinach was a valuable source of nutrition for people of all classes. It played a prominent role in traditional medicine, with herbalists recommending spinach for its potential to promote digestion, reduce inflammation, and improve blood health. The belief in spinach's medicinal qualities persisted well into the 18th and 19th centuries. It was thought to act as a general tonic for the body, helping to strengthen the immune system and alleviate various health issues. Although modern research has focused on more specific aspects of spinach's health benefits, such as its role in eye health and heart disease prevention, its use as a wellness food dates back to ancient civilizations. Despite its long-standing reputation for health benefits, spinach's fame in the modern world skyrocketed in the 20th century, thanks largely to an unlikely champion, Popeye the Sailor Man. This cartoon character, introduced in the 1920s, was depicted as gaining superhuman strength from eating cans of spinach. The fictional portrayal of spinach as a powerful source of strength led to an increase in consumption, especially among children. The impact of Popeye's endorsement is credited with a significant boost in spinach production in the United States. The boost was so impactful that it influenced public health campaigns and agricultural production, linking spinach with vitality and robust health. Popeye's influence has persisted over the decades, shaping the way many people perceive spinach as a food that provides immediate, tangible health benefits, especially for children who are reluctant to eat their greens. In addition to its cultural influence, spinach has played an essential role in global agriculture. As a fast-growing, cool-season crop, spinach is relatively easy to cultivate, making it a favorite among farmers. Spinach thrives in well-drained, fertile soil and is known for its resilience, growing quickly even in less than ideal conditions. This adaptability has made spinach a vital crop in various parts of the world, with major production areas in the United States, China, and India. The United States, in particular, has become one of the largest producers of spinach, with vast commercial farming operations dedicated to cultivating the vegetable for both fresh consumption and processing. Spinach is also a popular ingredient in processed foods, including frozen spinach and canned spinach, further cementing its place in modern diets. Its high yield and versatility make it a preferred crop for many small and large-scale farms around the world. The increasing recognition of spinach's health benefits has led to its incorporation into various diets and culinary traditions. It is a staple in vegetarian and vegan diets due to its high iron content, which is important for those who do not consume meat. Spinach's low calorie count and high fiber content also make it popular in weight management diets. As the world becomes more health conscious, spinach is increasingly seen as a superfood. In modern cooking, spinach is used in everything from smoothies and salads to pastas and soups, reflecting its versatility. With the rise of food trends like green juices and clean eating, spinach remains a key ingredient, symbolizing nourishment and vitality. As awareness of its nutritional value continues to grow, spinach remains one of the most beloved and utilized vegetables in contemporary cuisine.